Good morning, YouTube. This is Lisa. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm doing great. I am out today. Today is Friday, January 19th. I didn't come out yesterday, but I just came out to let you all see how it looks out here and to bring the garbage out. And I walk out the door and I see all these feathers. I'm like, what in the world has happened here? And even when I took the garbage over there, it's feathers all on the thing, well, all on the snow there. And so I look over here. There's a bird here. I don't know what has happened. It looked like it has been beat up because there's a lot of feathers, and there was some right there. Like right there, those are feathers. I don't know what has happened. Man. I hate to see that. I don't know what has happened. And like I said, it's feathers. All right there. I mean, it must have been a fight or something out here, because that's blood. I don't know what happened. I guess the ice is dripping off of the house through the gutters. But I mean, it's feathers. That's the first thing I saw when I came out here. And then its feathers are here, like right there. I just don't know what has happened. I don't know. If it was in a fight with another one, I don't know. But I'm gonna let you look at the, I'm not gonna walk out there because this stuff is, it's 32 degrees right now, and it is but it says it feels like 23. And the high today is 33. So, but we're almost at our high right now. Temperature is supposed to be dropping all day today. As you can see, the rain or the snow is off of the sheds because it was, the top of it was covered, and it's off of it now. But that's the garden. Okay, you all, so I did all that recording and I don't think the audio was on, so I'll do this over. But they came out and treated our roads yesterday with the big tractors and big equipment, and they treated our roads so they would be passable. and they have people have really been passing by a lot today. Our driveway still looks like a sheet of ice, but you can see our ditches and stuff now. 'Cause out there, I have deep ditches right there, and over there, and all along there are some deep ditches, and you can see them now, but because you couldn't see them before. But it is, I think it's melting. I know it's melting off of the ice, off of the top of the house. It is coming down the gutter here. I'm so glad to hear that. It just made me nervous. Like, how long can the house hold up all that ice and stuff? These feathers are everywhere out here. Look at that. Those are little feathers. It's just everywhere. It was some kind of bird fight out here. Had to be. All these little feathers. Everywhere. And they're all out here. Like, right there is some. They're all out here. That's a great big one right there. I don't know what has happened. So that's how everything is looking. It is supposed to get down to 13 degrees tonight, and it is supposed to get up to 33 today, I think. It's 31 right now, but it says it feels like 23. So that's just how everything is. So I'll just I'm gonna go in now. I think the cars have run long enough. But I want to thank you all for your thoughts and prayers and everything for my family, my cousins, my aunt. And my aunt is going to be released from the hospital tomorrow. And then my cousin that had the fire, she's okay. She's okay. And her son, they're doing okay. And so thank you all again for your thoughts and prayers. I'm going to go in the house now. I think these cars have run long enough. And so if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not already, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload content. So you all stay safe, stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.